Hello students, in continuation we are learning about a type of connective tissue, skeletal tissue, which may be the bones or the cartilage. Based on the previous video, now you are familiar with the term bone, which provides a skeletal support to the entire body and gives the shape to our body and also helps for anchoring the different organs of the body. So the interlinking of the bones and performing the function of anchoring the different organs, there is a requirement of some kind of a smoothness, elasticity and flexibility to the different joints or interlinkages between the various bones. So for that purpose, there is a specialized connective tissue which is named as the cartilage, which is compact and less vascular. That means the blood vessels in the case of cartilage are mostly absent. So first of all, to understand the cartilage, we should know the areas or the areas where the cartilage is present in our body. So like ear pinna. The ear pinna, the outer protruding part of our ear, which is visible to us in our head. So the ear pinna can be stretched, can be pulled. It is a bit flexible because of the presence of this cartilage tissue in the ear pinna. Similarly, the nose tip can be pressed. The epiglottis, the movement of the epiglottis is meant for restricting the flow of food in the windpipe. So this is the epiglottis. The movement of the epiglottis, the functioning of the epiglottis is also under the guidance, under the instruction of the cartilage. And there are lower end of ribs and rings of trachea and the windpipe. You can see the trachea and the windpipe is possible because of the cartilage tissue. Even there are certain other areas also, like the rib cage, the cartilaginous tissue is present. The hands, the finger joints, the cartilage tissue is present. So every smoothing, flexibility and elasticity is provided with the help of this cartilage tissue. So let us understand the structure of the cartilage tissue. The matrix, you can see in the light blue color, is a matrix which is really solid, cheese-like and firm, and the matrix is itself being produced by or secreted by the cells which are these chondrocytes. These chondrocyte cells itself secrete the matrix which is present in the cartilage tissue. And the matrix is solid, cheese-like and firm but slightly elastic because of the presence of collagen fibers, which accounts for its elasticity and its flexible nature. The chondrocyte cells, which are the cells of the cartilage tissue, are living cells which are present in the lacuna. That means the fluid-filled spaces inside this matrix is known as the lacuna, in which the chondrocyte cells are present, which are the living cells and which multiply to help for continuous and rapid growth of cartilage. And these chondrocyte cells which are present in the lacuna continuously divide, multiply to help for the continuous and rapid growth of the cartilage. So these are the areas I told you where the cartilage tissue is present. And the important function of cartilage is that it provides support and flexibility to the body parts and even smoothing the surface at joints between different bones, end bones, long bones. Everywhere the cartilage tissue provides some kind of smoothness so that the different linkages of the bone, different joints of the bone should be easily able to move and function our entire body. So this was a brief explanation of cartilage. Please note down the points as it is. If possible, you can make down this figure also with good coloring if possible. It's up to you, it's not compulsory, but it is for your understanding purpose. So this was the explanation of cartilage tissue, and previously we learned about the bone, which is the different figures. Even you can copy this down, the content of the bone as it is. There's sufficient information I have wrote down in this particular slide. Okay, so thank you students, thank you very much.